Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to apply for Dasher in Doordash. So do you want to be a Dasher? Do you want to like ride and send deliveries to Doordash amazing customers? Here's exactly how you can apply to be a Dasher on Doordash. So the first thing I would like you to do is to launch your Doordash application. So this is it. This is the Doordash application. And now at the top corner of this home page, you're definitely going to find a couple icons. Your profile icon, you're going to see the notification icon, and of course the cards. So head over to your account icon, which is the first thing there, and it's going to take you to this window. Now you have your profile, your Doordash rewards, MasterCard. And so you have your payment methods, your address. Scroll all the way down. You're going to find get help and become a dasher. So go ahead and click on become a dasher, and it's going to take you right out of the Dasher application. So now it's going to take you to the dasher.doordash.com website. So here it says sign up to become a dasher. All right, so just enter your postal code and it says walk when you want. Now set your own course, start earning quickly. So read up this information to show that your decision is literally worth it, and dash with confidence. All of these are articles that could help you. So the next thing that you like to do is to click on the sign up button at the top right corner, and now you're gonna have to enter your postal code. And once you enter your postal code to check your, of course, your direction or your location, go ahead and click on next. And once you click on next, all right, once you click on next, you're gonna have to enter in further details. So let's say this postal code, if we have anyone coming up into my head right now, so let's select that. So click on next, and you're going to have to enter your email address. All right, so once you enter email address, so let's say I'm going to use this, and now you have to enter your phone number. So you're going to have to enter a US phone number, or click on that drop down menu in or Canadian, Australian, or New Zealand. So which of them? So enter that number, because those are the countries that are eligible to use DoorDash. So head over to put in your phone number. So once you do that, you're going to get a message, an SMS, all right, that is going to contain a code that you have to enter in. So once you get the code, you're going to have to put that in and click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, that's it. It's going to create your account for you, and you become a dasher that way. And then so just follow through with the processes right there in the website to see how you can, of course, take orders and deliver them and earn as much as you can. So go through this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.